Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and get 12 jalapenos. Cut them in half lengthwise and scoop out the seeds and membranes. I leave a minimal amount for just a little heat. Get 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now mix it all together. Get a baking sheet lined with foil and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Fill the peppers with the mixture. The filling expands when it cooks, so don't overstuff them. Get 12 slices of regular cut bacon and cut the bacon in half. Now wrap each pepper half with each bacon half, and use a toothpick to help secure the bacon around the pepper. Then bake them at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until the bacon is crispy and browned. When finished, put them on a plate lined with paper towels. You can pick them up with tongs or carefully grab the toothpicks. Please consider giving the video a like, and thanks for watching.